Social Media Marketing and Voiceover by Bridget Renshaw. Social media is about staying connected with your online community and can be a powerful tool in the world of voiceover in a number of ways. It's great for getting yourself out there and letting people know what you do, staying up to date with the trends and projects from companies you could work for. And it's a way to market yourself for free to your personal community and gain new business. Taking advantage of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter help you to leverage connections up to a global level from your fingertips. To start, it's a way to let your current network know that you do voiceover professionally. If you're already utilizing things like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter for non-business reasons, your friends, family, and acquaintances may not know you work in VO. If they ever need voiceover work or their company or friends need voiceover work, they will reach out to you if they know that's what you do. Get creative with what you're sharing. There are a variety of things that you can post to keep people up to date with what you're doing and the kind of voice projects that you work on. You can post pictures of yourself in the studio, video dialogue talking about what kinds of projects you're working on, or talk about any projects people can keep their eye out for. The more visual and personal you can get, the better. Sometimes you'll be able to find a voiceover project you've done online. If your voiceover work is on the web, you can share the link. Lots of commercials are online as well as cartoon clips, media videos, etc. If you've voiced them, share them. If you get a copy of your work from the client you worked with, you can ask them if it's okay to share it. It's a great way for your online community to see what you've been doing. You can also use social media for connecting and keeping up with current or future clients. Follow the media accounts, production companies, or brands that you'd be interested in working for or have worked for in the past and stay up to date with them and the projects they're working on. If you see a company or brand that is doing projects you'd be a good fit for, look on their website for contact information and send them your professional demos. When you work with a company on a project, follow their social media accounts. They could follow you back as well, which is a great way for them to see what else you do and what other projects you are working on if they have a new type of project come up. Have fun with it. Social media is a place to connect with people. Keep up with any comments or shares of your content. The more you engage with your connections, the more you are developing those personal connections and relationships. Social media is a fun, no-cost way to build and develop your brand and gain connections with new clients and brands. Stay creative and stay connected.